police use of force, particularly how we might reduce use of force, and if not reduce it, then at least reduce unnecessary or improper force. A big component of this is the media effect, that the public and those going into policing often think that the primary role of the police is to catch the bad guys, so to speak, which is the crime fighting, and that certainly is part of it. But we have studies going back 50 years that show much of what police do actually doesn't involve crime. It is more problem solving, it is more social work. I was a military police officer back in the mid-1980s, and got interested in it because of the limited training and policy guidance that I was offered at 18 years old, and realized that I wasn't particularly well equipped to use force. And I think that in many respects police agencies face that same type of challenge. And so this chapter tries to walk agencies through how they can think through recruitment, policy, training, and that sort of thing to guide their officers to use the best force possible. I think the main takeaway is that policing is certainly an occupation where force has to be used, so it's not the idea that force is eliminated, but we're trying to create an environment where officers use proper force and don't necessarily have to rely on unnecessary force.